Here we are again, English on a roll, and lesson 29 is what we'll be talking about today. But first, let's look at page 106. That's the homework from lesson 28, which I have right here. So let's go through it together. And remember, repeat, repeat. So here we have our example. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? So we have to do, have, has, does, and then don't, and doesn't, and what's the last one? What? So here we're using do. Do you have a car? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. And then, what do you have? What do you have? What do you have? I have a car. I have a car. So here are the answers. Number 6, because it's she, it's does she have cats? Does she have cats? And one answer, yes, she does. Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. What does she have? What does she have? She has cats. She has cats. Then to number 11, do we have an egg? Do we have an egg? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. No, we don't. No, we don't. What do we have? What do we have? We have an egg. We have an egg. And up here we have 16. Do they have eggs? Do they have eggs? Excuse me, do they have dogs? Do they have dogs? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. No, they don't. No, they don't. And what do they have? What do they have? They have dogs. They have dogs. And then moving right along to this, 21. Does it have a bone? Does it have a bone? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. What does it have? What does it have? It has a bone. It has a bone. And last of all, we'll go to this. Do I have an animal? Do I have an animal? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No, you don't. No, you don't. What do I have? What do I have? You have an animal. You have an animal. So there we are. Now, what we are going to do is to look at lesson 29, page 109. Page 109. Now, and this is page 109. We'll look at that in a moment. What I want you to know is this. We're going to talk about the simple present. We're talking about verbs, and we're going to talk about regular verbs. These are regular verbs. Now, simple present is every day. Remember again and again. Una y otra vez y otra vez. Let's look at the rules, reglas, las reglas, for the simple present, el presente simple. All right, first of all, you want to usa el raíz del verbo para I, you, we, and they. So that's what we want. And the raíz, you'll see in a minute, the raíz del verbo. And then number 2, añadir ese para he, she, it. Añadir ese para he, she, it. Mira, let's do this. Here we go. I hope you can see this. All right, look, down at the bottom, down here, el raíz, look, es el verbo, y es regular, right? So here's look, and here we have raíz, the rest of the tree, el árbol, every day. There's our everyday, presente simple. Okay, now notice here, I look, you look, we look, you look, they look. So there's your I look, uso, look, el raíz, el raíz. You look, raíz, look. We look, you look, and they look, raíz. No cambio el raíz. Okay. But with he, she, it. Añadimos es. So aquí, he looks, she looks, it looks. Solamente tres, ¿ok? Todos los plurales, solamente el raíz. Los plurales. Look, look, look. And I look and you look también. But he, she, it looks, looks, looks. Right? Now, hay miles y miles de verbos regulares en inglés. So I have that. Now, let's look at this, right? Voy a hacer con este es mejor. Okay, now, here is look, raíz is look, here is need, dos verbos regulares. Por ejemplo, I look. Repite, por favor, repita. I look, I look. And here we have negativo, I do not look. Usamos do para hacer negativos, so I do not look. You look, you look. You do not look, you do not look. Okay, negativo. Now we have here, and this is singular, so I look, you look. Here we have he looks. Note ese, he looks. And here, aquí, he does not look. He does not look. She looks. She looks. She does not look. She does not look. It looks. It looks. It does not look. So he, she, it, añadir ese. Now here's plural. We look. We look. Raíz. We do not look. We do not look. Usamos do. You look, plural, singular, mismo, you do not look, you do not look. Here's they look, they look, they do not look, they do not look. They look, mismo, he, she, it, plural, solamente they, right? So I have that. Now, the same is true of need. Necesitar. Este es mirar, this is necesitar. I need, singular, I need. El raíz es need. I need, I do not need. I do not need. You need, you need. You do not need. You do not need. He needs, he needs. He needs. He does not need. He does not need. She needs, she needs. She needs. She does not need. It needs, it needs. It does not need, it does not need. So there's our singular. Here's plural, raíz, todavía. We need, we need. We do not need, we do not need. You need, you need. You do not need, you do not need. They need, they need. They do not need, they do not need. And again, they need, they do not need, they need, they do not need. Now, recuerde, this is pronunciación. Well, here we have this. I, you, we, they, plus verb is look, right? Solamente el raíz. He, she, it, plus el raíz, plus es. Looks, looks. Now, have a look here. Remember, recuerde, we have our voiced sounds, sonidos de inglés, sonidos de inglés. Con voz, b, d, g, j, ul, v, w, y, z, and th. Con voz, b, d, g, Here we have sin voz, sonidos, recuerden. Okay. Now, sin voz. Okay, here we are. Por ejemplo, mira a look. Es sin voz. Si es sin voz, sonido al final is S. So looks con S. Because K, 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 and S, k, s, k, s. Pero aquí con ni, d, d. That's voiced con voz. D, d. El sonido al final is z, z. So does, needs, needs, looks, looks. So los sonidos con voz toman z al final. El S se pronuncia z. Sin voz, el S se pronuncia s, k, s, s, x. Understand? Espero. Okay. Aquí, por ejemplo, regular verbs. Look at this. Add, d. Con voz. Adds, z. Adds, con S. Con S is adds. Here we have ask, k. Sin voz, k. So asks, asks, con S. Here we have bake, k. Bakes, k, k. El sonido, k. So it's bakes. Here's call, si, con voz, calls, calls. Here we have clean, n, con voz, cleans, cleans. Here we have comb, comb. That's peinar, combs, 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 ms. Here we have drop, p. So, p, drops, drops, drops. Here we have helps, helps, hopes, con S, hopes, LS. Here's jumps, jumps. Here's likes, likes, she likes, she likes. I look, but she looks, she looks. I love, he loves, v. Con voz, z, loves, loves. Okay, all right, hope we've got that. Now, let's do the homework on page 10. Let's have a look at that. Here we are. Okay, so this starts, well, that's right. So it's, remember, write the verb. Escribe el verbo. And remember, it's simple present. So here, el verbo is need, need. I need a car. I need a car. El verbo is look. She looks happy. El verbo want. He wants a teacher. He wants a teacher. Here's look again. You look sad. You look sad. Here, I need a house. And then here, it looks young, and so forth. Okay? Escribe, por favor. And until the next time. Bye.